So we're here at the park on the GoPro Hero 11 on 5.3K Hyperview. Oh. Let's go ahead and pop a wheel right here. Yeah. Going through the entire park, off terrain. It was on 5.3K with a 256 gigabyte card. That differentiates the GoPro Hero 11 and the Hero 10 and 9 is that it has a different screen layout. And we got a little windmills right here. So there's a little so one of the differences with the Hero 11 and the Hero 10 is that the Hero 11 has a blocky format and the Hero 10 is on a circle format. On this side, you don't see the battery percentage performance like the video mode. This is on highest, and there's only two modes. There's the highest quality and it's an extended battery. I usually put an extended battery, but I'm borrowing the GoPro from Dominic. I'm kind of out of breath because I just biked around here. So the controls, it goes in between easy and pro. As a professional filmmaker, you want it to set on pro because you get more options. And preferences, it's still the same right here, but you have to update the GoPro right when you get it. And that the GoPro Hero 11 can go 5.3K 60 and 4K 120, I believe. 5.3K all the way down to 1080. You can also film in 240, but the Hyperview lens is only available for whatever is specified. So with this, you're able to go into 4x3 and 8x7, which is like a smaller view pretty much. And what's cool is that if you actually select it, you actually got to see that format on your screen. Linear plus Hyperview lock on 5.3K, 3 frames per second, linear plus. We're gonna go all the way around, get some footage. Yeah. Go around the park. Okay, so I usually have the camera looking out towards the front of my bike, right? But this is what the view looks like when I know I'm not really supposed to have the GoPro facing me back this way, but this is what it looks like. Which what I don't like is it's not the GoPro's issue. It's just the issue with the bike mount, really, is you can barely see the background because I'm like biking, you know, all that stuff. But the best part about the GoPro Hero 11 that I love is that it has Hyperview, which is way wider than Superview. This GoPro is actually Dominic, so thank you Dominic for allowing me to use the GoPro Hero 11 for this review. The GoPro Hero 11 is amazing. It's awesome to know what you can learn from the Hero 11, even from like just using the GoPro Hero 10 and 9. The difference is really insane. It has 5.3K, like 360 hyper smooth lock on 5. Hyper smooth 5 is what I meant. But you know, this thing is just a cool thing right here. Yeah. So a neat feature. That differentiates